Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Wi-Fi password in ASUS Lyra mesh. And to do this, first we'll need to click on our ASUS Lyra inside ASUS router app, then go for Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi network name and details. Inside there's a password, you can click on it, and that way you'll be able to change the password. And keep in mind that it needs to contain at least 8 different digits, or maybe not different, but let's go for something like this. Click on OK and then select Apply in the top right corner of the screen to save the settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.